Do you know what that is?
Yeah, I'll help you open it.
Do you know what it is? You do?
A playset.
Ooh.
It's another one. We have that upstairs too.
Yes, but what kind of books are in it, Mia?
Peter Pan.
Peter Pan.
101 Dalmatians.
Yes.
Jungle Book.
Yes.
Dumbo.
Yes.
Winnie the Pooh.
Yes. And
Aladdin.
yes.
The Lion King.
We have that upstairs too.
It's a new one with the reader in it. Look,
That's the one.
it's got the reader.
Ew.
Like Dora. Ooh, and then Finding Nemo.
Ooh.
So we got a lot of good books in here.